start with Beth. Everything from jeans to button-down shirts to blouses and pants. You'll see this pullover features a collar, gold tone hardware, and a half-placket zipper. And this design features an exposed zipper and really deep front pockets that allows you to carry necessities. It has a double zipper, and you see how she's paired an addition to your wardrobe. This woven design features leopard prints with the beautiful blush pink color. Is so attractive. Literally as comfortable as a cardigan, but dressy enough as a jacket. And this has a modern grid printed. This is a vegan faux leather jacket. And again, what a great color to pair with jeans. What a great color to pair with black pants. And no iron shirt in an animal print. And she's wearing the red allure blazer. This also comes in black. And dress up your jeans as she's done. She's wearing, that's a great looking outfit. She's wearing our wide leg crop jeans in ecru. And again, ladies, the wide leg is here to stay. It looks great on everybody. With our touch of cool long sleeve shirt, those are t-shirt shimmer to sparkle in your photos. And it's a classic fit bracelet sleeve, and you'll see it kind of bells out at the wrist. And the notch neck, comfortable and soft. And this sweater blazer is the perfect answer. It has two functional buttons, but and it's just triple opening. She's paired that with the matching traveler's pants with that caviar trim. Pairs great with jeans. And she's wearing one of our fun ruffle neck blouses in black. And she's wearing one of our amazing statement necklaces. Again, we love our
big smile. Right here, look right here. Miguel.
Hi everyone. I think it's time to thank the hostess with the mostess. You really do.
We love you, Magali. I know, I love you, all of you. You know that. Okay. All right. Before we say goodbye, let's finish with the raffle. 861. You all have that one, right?